The 2013 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, navigation system, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, moonroof, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, cruise control, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, cold weather package, rear defrost. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.